Happy Ben Johnson Day to my people. Happy Ben Johnson Day. Happy Ben Johnson Day. It's a Thursday. What's up, Speak of Mind family? Blessings, 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 blessings to each and every one. This video we're going to start the shout out, which is, the festive season greetings to all my subscribers. And I always tell you people, if you don't if you subscribe and don't comment in the comment section, I can't identify you. You can be here from day 1, 2 year, 1 year, 6 months ago. You can even be a real supporter who watch the ads and like and share and do everything. But if you don't comment on a regular basis, I can't know you. I know many of you might don't want to comment because you don't want people to see your comment and feel offensive to your comment and probably drag your name in social media and go dig up your file and look for it on Facebook and show pictures and all them something there. But as I said, you don't have to do that. You can just put an emoji. You can just put One Nation, any one of the slang, do they do, up like age. So easy. You can just use any one of the slang them as well as an emoji. Doing that regularly like Jen Sawyers do, that automatically make me know, get to know, say yes, he's a supporter of the channel. But when you don't support, I can't know. So if you don't hear your name, please don't get at me and say me not hear my name, really. Please. Alright? And for who don't hear them name, go watch back the previous videos, because you might don't watch the video that your name might call into. You understand? So you watch back the previous videos. And I will probably go over these names. Probably the name them I will call these names probably 2 times, because I will go right up until. Because sit there, one long list. Sit there. So I might just call them right up over again until the new year done, the whole festive season. So don't worry. But these name what I'm gonna call now, these name I have to call these name first. Alright? So MP, aka Cuz, JJ, Night Nurse, big up yourself, Night Nurse, Negretta, Nicole, Vinci, bless up, British Marine, bless up sister, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, Margaret from Florida, bless up yourself, Madge, Ping Ping my sister, one Stacy, one Ping Ping, Karen, aka KL, Cupid, one British in the place, or a 2, Stephanie aka SB, initial, now I give out on the whole on the name, Ingrid Wallace, Simone Bernard, bless up yourself in a mum, all cook and all curry, now run with belly, and Donna Bowes, greetings sis, greetings for the festive season. And you don't know, as the videos goes on right up until New Year, we will be doing these shout out. So all of my subscribers, my supporter them, just bless up on yourself, listen for hear on a greeting shout out. Alright? Anyway people, you know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. But I say the TikTok of them run up and down, I go all about you know them find one next one name favorite or favorited. All about them there now, because they make preparation for transfer them people from over TikTok over so. Boy, I may tell you. Anyway, still go follow me over TikTok. When it locked down. I don't think it really go for Jamaican right now still. But you don't know at the same time there is some, but leave that alone. That is not really my concern. But if you go and follow me over TikTok, you can go and do what I have to do over there. Yes, what I can't do over here so. Alright? The greatest part of it is not like me go over there for say, boy, yes, me red eye. I want to go in a ranking and tanking and sanking. No. You understand? I just want the app to use to do what I can't do over here, so over there. What come, but me not go over there if you go dig nothing. Me not no pickaxe and no shovel. So you can't go follow me over there anyway until the time come out with your Life is a Mission TV and TikTok. Remember Life with Gabby and Chevy. I see she get 3 new subscribers today up to doing this video. Bless upon yourself who have come on board and who not come on board yet. Just please. She's 919 now. Still want 81 to get that 1,000. Life with Gabby and Chevy. The YouTube link is in my comment section. Pin, give her a subscription. And remember the cash app is there. We have about a week and a half left, you know, to proceed with this little food drive that we want to give back a little, you know, thing to the people who, you know, might can't afford a Christmas dinner. So the cash app is there. You ask her to get it. When you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. $ Charms and Trends. And please to go on Instagram and check out charmed_and_trends and check out the business page, and anything you see over there, get it customized. It's a season of giving your loved one a gift. Give them a special gift. Give them a gift with meaning to them. Give them a gift that they want to cherish because it has some significance to them. Alright? And what better place to start but Charms and Trends? You can go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop, or drop in at the DM that you see on Instagram, and you will get back a quick response from customer service. Okay? Bless upon yourself. Support young people that try them wear. I whole heap of them sit down. Nah, I do not know. I sit down and wait for a handout for you come work and give them. Alright? Anyway, people, boy, I see every tongue over there, aka church sister. But come like she get used to the every tongue, because even in the video, she has said, no, make me pronounce word, because no, my tongue heavy already, you know. So it's like she accept the word, the name every tongue. But I see she over there like she a vent. Not in an horrible way or no arrogant way. But she over there is like she miss over here. So you don't know, sometimes them try to stay away, but them can't stay away, and them know them can't stay away. So she was over there speaking of social media in general, and the people them out here say them out here it not serious, it's just to the money. Right? All of what we say are going out here, it not that serious. I just see the money make them do it. So I'm saying, so all the love that she said she did love ex-woman and whatsoever, it was just all about the money. Because basically, that's what she are explaining to us here. It wasn't any deep love while she were doing all of what she were doing while cooping the coins. At the same time, it was just all about the coins. And this is why she reached a stage where she reached, that she can't even want to cuss off such woman and tell off such woman, you know, and call such woman whatever name she want to call such woman, because it wasn't any genuine deep love. It was all about the kinds. So she are trying to say, well, me hear she talk, me not go say boy, because me's a man, you know. All when me know say other person, if the name not call or no specific, you know, int no give, me not go say rude, but me know who she exactly talk. Because she's saying that she not surprised if Tina and woman at town turn back friend. Which I can't put my head on the block, you know, because such woman have a soft heart, you know. And because of that it can lead her there. But me not think that is possible. But me not gonna put my head on the block for that one day. But me not think that gonna happen. That will never happen. But me not put my head on the block, me just can't say it. And she go as far and say, if she can give such man, we deal with her even more than cruel than how Tina do it. That man they do her more than what Tina do her. And she say she can't friend back that the man and she and that the man the bygones be bygones. Why she can't do it with Tina? And she go as far as say Curly also. But she in saying all this is like she are saying that, oh, she would be she can't turn back friend with anybody also. She go as far and talk about Chris and Dwayne, but she has said she wouldn't friend back one individual out here. Cause that individual are the man. Me a man, you know? Yes, man. You are the, yes, and me, a man, yeah, me a man, and you are the. Yes. From you see that individual there, you see the D and me a man. Yeah. You know? Me a man, yeah. She wouldn't friend back that they one day. So basically, she are saying that it is not impossible for 99 T-girl and Curly if you turn back friend. So me I got alone if you hear all of that. So all who want to say me intro long, this is not an intro. The intro is when me I talk about the subscribe to the channel and whatsoever. This is an insight of the video, so you're aware of what he's going to watch. Alright? So you have a greater understanding when things pop up in your ears and you're now going to hear it a rewind, you already know what is to come. Alright? So listen up.
I ain't not nothing to do with me. He find a way to quiz me night.
That are the D. Me and the
Me
man.
show over there say how me look. I mean if you tell Father God for what he say, don't if you let me describe that lady. All him attacking want me answer him. And if me answer you the right way, lady, God know you can't manage it. And that's why I never answer you to you know, I'm sorry for me pity you. Because when me see the step to you at the time, I mean see your face good and how you look. Remember you literally that cry. When this somebody and that the somebody couldn't rush me for me cry.
Right there, so let me know who she attack. Right there, so. But as I say, it's still not clear. We make answer ropes, but all of who know who cry and who get rush, who rush, who make who cry, whether in the present or in the past, who know we know who. But this is not where me a debate pan.
Remember you literally cried when the person rushed you. And live. So you're just a weak friend. You're a weak friend. I pity you.
They shoot the fence in and it drop down because the post will
If
never
you
happen.
know it's a weak fence, you can't manage certain things, you only go like you can't manage it. But you can't manage it, I pity you, I'm not bother.
Weak fence is something with the post
Listen,
there
no,
wrap me
leave
up
you
people.
alone.
As breeze touch it, they just want to use a little finger and go so shoot and it
I
shumble
pity
down.
you.
That's a weak
Trust
fence.
me, nation. Although someone that say, Gracie, a long time she texted by you. Leave her alone. Sometimes if you're alone and everybody
See if you can think like me
if you
and
lick
think
crumbs
of
out of them more. Some people must let them have crumbs.
well, don't have to go in and comment and say, just know how. For one day a long time,
Some people
know
your
how.
table set you for make them eat with you when they don't like you.
Because me say another part
She
like
want to go eat right at the table although you know you should not like we. And I don't have no personal vendetta against that lady. I don't even know the lady. If I don't know you, how must I have personal vendetta against you? How can I have personal vendetta against somebody that I don't know nothing about? Walk on the road. Some people, from me see them, me know where them come from and who them be. And it's like you can't see hatred in their heart. You know me? Sometimes I want to step to them and say, Miss, you know me from Adams? Do you know me? Because when I get up and hate somebody who I don't know. Over social media foolishness.
She getting there now, she getting there, listen.
We will never buy out social media argument again, you know.
Right there she getting now, listen.
Trust me. Over the years of buying out argument and afterward, me feel like piece of... When me look at how it turn out and how it play out. Something I feel I wonder if people are the friend long time and come out here and go to their name friend. Then me if you buy out social media argument. Then me if you see people argument out here and go buy it out. And me see it play out over the years out here.
What play out? It play out good. You're one of them who play out good for out here, you know. Good, you know. Cause you there before it get crowdy. When Merciless a ball out, how the place so crowdy. You understand? You are one of them who benefit a lot. So how it play out? Because the kinds drop. Come on. It never let us stay so all along. It never let us stay so for the rest of your life. See the TikToker them they run up and down all about now. I try find different apps to go on. So all of who did a squander the liquid them did a make from TikTok. Dog just eat them supper. Because I one thing me learn is only good salvation lasts forever. And you can have yourself in a position where you earn from a platform like social media platform where you don't have no control over that. And every day you get up, you get a crate of orange juice just to come on the app and and do look at something and you get a crate of orange juice. And you don't put even half crate of this orange juice. You take it whole light, you drink what you don't want, you take it wash your hand, you take it feed dog, you take it dash on the road, you do all kind of things with it. And when the ground dry up on the water now, for no orange squeeze, for you get no orange juice, you run up and down so you're thirsty. You're not supposed to thirsty. If you did not make use with these crate of orange juice that you did not get, you're not supposed to thirsty. I mean just use this as an example. So if them did not make use of the money where them did not get, all of the money where them are grudge them one another find a jealous offer because the one of them want to be at the top at one time. You be number 1 2 times and me get a chance to be number 1 time and you feel like you should have got 3 4. And all the jealousy start. And all the people who used to give you to them and give me no because them want to give me a blind. You start telling them about one of them mother pink, red, white and blue. You start telling them about them father and them look like the Jamaica flag. I want to start all kind of foolishness. And that is what caused the problem against one another. You understand? Because when you use certain things as content where really not supposed to be content. But back to the story with me, I say, you have benefited a lot, church sister. So you shouldn't be the one to come out here and say what you are saying. More than just move on from what happened with what you get and what you achieve.
Then I saw me foolish. Then me forget myself involved in a cake argument.
It's not it coming.
And you wanna surprise me tomorrow if Tina and the lady don't so told my friend.
Hey!
Or that now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that.
Stop playing foolish, she no nationals. Nationals, you wouldn't surprise me a morning. You would never if my surprise, who know? But you wouldn't surprise me a morning. Let me say Tina. And don't so talking in the morning. You wouldn't surprise
Or
me.
that now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that.
You wouldn't surprise me. You know why? You see when it happened first, what happened with stuff,
360 share
that one surprised me. I shake me up a while before me get out of the one day.
And the friendship between such
See if that the one day could I do all of what that the one they do. Tina the do half of what that the one they do yet, you know. You would never surprise me. You surprised who know? Cannot take these social media things too serious. I don't. I stop. I used to and I stop. I'm
Okay.
morning if me get up.
Okay. Because I was going to say, what you mean? But you correct yourself immediately. But this is what I am saying. You used to think that way there, and you stop. You don't expect to chew you stop. Everybody are gonna stop and think the same way as you now. People have to get to learn also. If I learn, you learn, you know. You have to give people chance to learn too. And if because you kind slow down, make you stop, you have to give people the chance to feel them kind slow down to stop. You understand? So you can't come out here come chastise people who take social media serious. Wish it should not be so. But at the same time, it's somebody who you just confess, say you used to take it serious. But things just go against you, where you think I will continue to be the same until thy kingdom come. And because it's not the same, you take a different route. But at the same time, don't expect everybody to think as you know. Allow people to grow up and know that social media is not that serious.
And I said Tina and don't so. It wouldn't surprise me. The phone head I go lick.
Oh, so true, you're one
I
of the
take this social
360
media
as you
thing
had
too
just a while
serious.
ago. You feel like everybody else head I go lick.
It wouldn't surprise me. So all I want beat up them tongue and then beat up them mouth. And the comment section I go shame. All I know what in the comment section on the keyboard badness I go shame.
I want to sleep.
If a morning I wake up and I say Tina and don't so together again, it wouldn't surprise me. It wouldn't surprise me.
It wouldn't surprise me. It wouldn't surprise she. It wouldn't
Me don't
surprise
know
she.
me not say me I look for majesty, but knowing the characteristic of him and trying to kind of draw thing characteristic up. Out of the characteristic when me see with over the years when you out there, it's kind of hard.
But she doubt because
She
what him do
thinks
with
say
doing.
him and but me not say so still. After we doing my man doing it and go back to him and say sorry and he let him back do it and say alright, but I'll let you back but you're good.
Hey, if you don't have sample, just me that real sample, you have to laugh.
Nationals.
I'm glad me one of them not take it serious.
If I wake up a morning
me just chat to me have to chat and go, and that's it.
and I see curly
That will never
and
happen.
dunks.
That will never happen.
It's all right
Never
together.
happen.
It wouldn't surprise me. That's why you see when me even out here trouble curly, me laugh and say, I trouble curly. Stop take things serious. So all who hate me, I take it serious. Me stop take it serious. If you can't carry me, gonna great. All who have me up and don't put me down. Don't put me down, I'm not afraid of heights. All who have me up,
But basically, I want somebody
don't put me
you
down.
actually have to have you.
I beg you to keep me up there.
Because it's like you're open to
Let me
anybody
reach
else
my
that
success.
wants somebody
Make
you're
all
open to them.
quicker. Let me use you as my leather.
Yogurt,
Don't
people,
put me down.
yogurt.
Any day you put me down, me gonna vex you, you know. Keep me up there. If you not bad, no put me down. what me I know about you. I years you know have me up. I years you know have bear me weight. As much as no say me big. You know hold me weight over the years. Don't put me down, me so reach where me want reach. All of who have me up. Keep me up there.
Me nah put nobody
CJ
on
walk
social
on my
media.
baby. Hi Pinocchio.
You ask for me
name?
keep at a distance, and some of
Penny
me
Cook.
despise. Me keep some
Well,
at
you're
a
the
distance,
first name,
and me
yeah?
despise someone.
More yet. I saw.
But me nah put no personally in my heart. My
I'm
heart too
yet
little
Penny
bit
Cook.
care on.
Hey, no don't do it. Don't do it. I don't know my tongue heavy already all years. Me over here can't pronounce word. If I wake up a morning nationals
Bam!
and I hear say
Talk me and talk about.
peace is out here with friends, everybody turn back friend. He wanna surprise me, you know. You know how surprise who know. I wanna take this thing serious. The people
Me glad me grow. I know how to avoid people. And once you show me who you is one time, me nah give you a second chance to show me who you is. Once beaten twice, so help me Lord. Me nah make that go on again. Because if it fi go on again, me just make sure some mother step on them guard. Me? One strike, showing me who you are, and me out. What me say? One strike, show me who you are, and me out. Now come tell me say you're sorry. Now come tell me say, boy, me did I check it the wrong way. No. Because your outburst, why you have that outburst? If you never deeply have me in one corner in your heart, want come at me long time. If you hear something and you never have me up certain way, or want to give me a piece of your tongue, because you must say, say me want beard. Not you know where I talk, you say, you know. I'm speaking in general now. You never have it in your intention say me want beard. And your ears say, me run go down the road sweaty. And me say, are you dash water upon me? And you run out with your tongue like a bath rag, like one of the Jamaican bathing rag them. You know that Jamaican national rag there? Yes. Jamaican national bath rag. You run out with your tongue like that. Yeah, if you come give me a bath. And you're gonna tell me say you never have me up some part in you. You must say mad. If you never have me up and want to tell me all the way you come out come say because you misinterpret whatever I did say or whatever I did do, you wanna take that route. You would have come in a different manner. But you were sitting waiting for that moment to happen. So you can release that bad gas where you have inside of you. It just coming like you want to ease your body, you know. But you're against a crowd where you can't afford to ease your body. Because one, you don't know if it's going loud and them are going to hear and know say you and you are going to feel away in yourself. Two, you don't want to squeeze it and you look at water, something come and the whole of you wet up. Three, you still don't want to squeeze it and pollute the place with the smell. So you hold it and the least little chance you get to come out of the crowd, quick you fly it off. And so some of them have a people in a social media for no reason at all. You understand? For no reason at all. Them just have you up. You and them never have nothing yet, you know. You never ever deal with them certain way upon social media. You just go about your business. Them a listen to you, you a listen to them. And one little thing, misinterpret, them come out like you and them did have something couple days or months ago brewing. And then when you realize people that you can speak with come and say to you, say, no man, this never mean nothing, never said this, she never said that, or you understand? Some of them afraid to even come and apologize because them too big for apologize and say, well, me misinterpret. Well, such woman a small island, she did come and say she misinterpret because she did so out in her rage and one bag of sitting. But some of them too big for apologize. You understand? Them just figure more or less say all when them see say or somebody speak to them and make them know say no. Them still a tell themselves say because them want to feel as if okay or tell themselves say them now apologize. What them do, them hold on to what them have. All when it is clear. You understand? Said nothing like what them did a think or a say. Because people close to them might show them say no man. It couldn't be so because see the box orange. So him could not say you chew a white one so in an orange where I see you so. But just because them now want to come out here come apologize, them hold on to it. Because them too big. Yeah, so enough people stay. Man and woman so them stay. Too big.
And behind the phone and take it serious and entertainment for it. If people are behind the phone,
You
don't
shall
take it serious, take it from me. I'm money making and entertainment.
You hear her? Take it from me. I'm money making and entertainment.
The enemy no out here.
So all along, when
Out
she a go
all
on
of them
like
are
a
one
love,
somebody alone. Let me see me in my chat right now, me a wonder. Me maybe run go read Psalms 91 same time. She said, Dumpy, you follow me. Dumpy, Dumpy. Why? Dumpy. Why alone out here? Out all of them. Let me see them right now and near me now. I find myself at Jesus' feet. Tormented up in them.
Una ask me,
I said, Jesus!
hey, hold on.
Stop it!
Una love when people come for me. What do you want point for me and look for me for? One ask me. Una love mix me up. Me jump fence soon, them tear up me gansy them. With the back wire and the whole zinc them. Dog bite me. Me drop me fracture my foot. Me come back, me tell them what I go on. I wanna still want to turn on and mix me. What me fi know? You know listen for yourself. Eh? The word wanna still down a tear in my face and a pint. Who she attack? Wanna leave me alone. And that me come out of her. Me come out her to make she explain. So when she did do all this, it wasn't any hatred for nobody. It was for the kind. Make she tell you, alright? And the part where she said, no surprise if you see such woman and T-girl attack or curly.
Now what me do for deserve this? Now what me do for deserve this?
Fruit are sour. Right name apricot or apricot.
Yes, as we not call her name, because them we don't want to torment we then dead to it still.
Apricot / apricot. So I don't know if I
Don't
told you
be
that
them.
language.
Head in there.
You know me I wonder still about that video, yeah? Really why what drive for this video? What drive her to do this video? Because I still not find out what is behind it, why I should do this video. And I listen to the whole of the video. I don't know what drive her to do that video, yeah. Is it that she just feel like she just come say something? For draw a little traction? I don't know. As a curl would I say December money make already. So I don't know if a January money she a bill up because it soon cut off now, you know. Still have a little while to go still. So I don't know if that she a try make up. I don't know because I still don't understand why this video. Me hear the video what she has said, but what drive her to bring this video? I don't know.
Me hear
Me
them
that
call
listen
my
to
me
something
see
happen
them
or to hear
nowhere
something.
near my chat. He say no. Father God forgive me. Instantly repentance. Cause me don't know what me could have done to deserve this. I don't know what I do for deserve this, Jesus. Have mercy, Father God. Tormented souls. Don't pay.
I want to find a party and make she come do this video, yeah, cause me not see no other reason we should come do this video, yeah.
Don't pay that man. Me nah do it.
And when them say, oh,
National.
black jar
I
dopey.
may tell you.
And when them
Don't
say
pay.
run dopey.
We don't know how. All our nationals, them we don't know how.
Me don't know how.
We don't call them name card up with them.
Me don't know how. Don't mix me. Oh, she said all of the nationals.
I don't
She
pay them
never
too
said
if it's
nation.
true.
Nationals. One nation different from
So we not
nationals.
call them mention them name because they don't pay too. I really dead. But two we forgot them.
I feel like this is the purpose of the video.
Two we forgot them.
I feel like I don't know where go down, but this
I
is
don't
the purpose
mention
of the
them.
video. My conclusion.
If evil was a person, it would be them. The nationals, it would be them. I say if I wake up tomorrow morning and I look and I see Tina and Dongso and Curly and Dongso, it won't surprise me. You know who me attack, when me say Dongso, the majority of experiment cakes, the one them me talking.
So all of a
The
sudden you
variety
get
of
to call people
experiment
name.
cakes.
They laugh. Variety of experience.
So,
Of experiment
what
of
come
cake.
here? I don't know.
Boy, you have new
Nationals
cake.
who not so brave, look coward like. Me hear say one new cake a come out, where name?
Attraction she come out here for you know. She just want some traction.
Me hear say. I want to me see it.
Church sister want traction.
Scrolling me. And they say it over what the page. He said
But let me ask a question. That say whatsoever of experimenting new cakes. None of these bakery with multiple products start with all these products that them have. None of these bakeries, whether yard and abroad, has started with all the multiple products that they have selling. None of them. Me not ask that. I tell you that. And you don't need no diploma, no degree, no PhD if you know that. None of these baking company internationally and locally, none of them have started all the products that them have. They grow to do the same thing where you are talking about experiment. Business grow, and so the business grow, and so them grow with ideas. And you call that growth in a business. Because you don't want to stay one place every day. You don't want to be baking cashew every day. You want something to follow up behind the cashew. So any day cashew now sell, at least that can sell. And every day that's the same thing you want. Until you have a wide range of products. So me don't want you come out here come make it look up. Every day she try new stuff. Wow, I wish it like it's a restriction of her trying new things. That is what causes her to be elevating, leave the whole of uno. Let me say, that's how we cause this woman for elevate over the whole of uno, because you know continue to spend time watching she out, try to tear her down, and have all the bad things to say when she busily thinking how to make money. This woman can just sit down without even a baking season and find creative way of earning a certain sum for the month more than what uno can earn or will ever earn. You understand? This is how creative the woman is. The woman can turn nothing to something. She can just get some cash upon and decide say she just sit down and something just come to her head and she just think about it. The same cash upon where you eat cash every day and dash on the pan. And she take that and when she take it up, Lord, what should I take up my garbage? Whoa, Lord. And my garbage she take up, I wonder what she gonna do with it. And few days or weeks or hours after, where you see what she do with it and the money where she turn, you know where you start do? Before you even try to start take the cash upon and do the same thing or try something with it, you start light the cash upon a fire. Because you see somebody take the cash upon make use. And that is how we stay. Our race, especially Jamaicans, that's how we stay. We never know the use of this until somebody find use of it. All the years you have been eating cashew, you throw away this. But as soon as me find a creative way, just like how such woman can find whole heap of creative way to earn, you start like this, you start mash it up, you start tear it up because you just don't want me to forget it. So when you come out here, come make it look like it's a problem for the woman create a new cake every year or every other year. Come on, National Bakery, all the buns and biscuits and all different things where them have multiple products of, all of them never come one time or over a period of time. So I don't know what you're trying to say, so and I laugh like, oh, you know, it's some joke. You never afraid short of bird catch you. Experiment. You never afraid short of bird catch you. Cause me not see where the joke there in that. As bad as thing be when she experimenting, so it go off the shelf. You remember you mix it off the shelf. You remember? So when you're gonna laugh, there is no joke here. You can't be laughing off of somebody who try experiment and it a work. You laugh off of people who try experiment and it not work. So who the joke and the laugh depend? No, you. Because somebody a try experiment and it is working out, and you come out here come laugh. Who the laugh depend? At the end of January or before the end of January, she's smiling to the bank. You understand? She's smiling to the bank. Where you smiling to? In a here she make a young cake. That not benefit you. You say you operate a business in the holiday, you know you should be spending more time figuring out how you can gain some new customers to the Christmas. Because the cleaning type of job what you do, if people don't do it during the year or find time to do it during the year, them want to do it at this time of the year. That's how you should have sit down and do. If a such woman did have your company, shouldn't have your business what you talk about. Shouldn't have on. Call people who she done clean already that want she will come do it. And this is a person where you sit down and laugh off or make gimmicks and joke off of. Come on. And stop laughing off of yourself.
One new cake, one new flavor cake. One new flavor cake name Nationals. You see the Insta?
So they
One
all
name,
over the
one new
live.
flavor
You don't know
cake
what this is
name.
live here for.
I want my ball pick to them there. I be a cover there today.
Just to stay
I
ready
when
for
I
it.
covered one then there, yeah. When I covered man kill keep sword board.
Just to
When I
stay
board pick to them,
relevant.
I have a wire
Traction.
there.
You're looking
When
traction.
I'm afraid. When cake, when you cake, me
Hey,
say.
that hell of a thing where they on top and fall off, you know.
Me I say new experiment come on. When you want me?
Hell of a thing where you're on top and fall off. That's why you have to make use of when you're on
Me
top.
belly. Hey, stop it. Somebody can't tell me when you cake name. Me I say new experiment come. When you experiment name? Oh no. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll check. Maybe come back next later. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna tell you no new experiment.
You really have
Can me
time
see
to
one
waste,
new
boy.
experiment coming out. I tell you. One
Anyway,
new
people.
flavor.
Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. I still don't know what the real reason for this video, but there is, you know, certain things I just want to highlight, you know, but we can come to the conclusion that, you know, it's just traction. She just probably feel probably down or forgotten, and she just feel like we just come out here, come mell around to find some traction, because if you notice, she was just all over the place with different things and stuff. She go here so, she touch this so, she come here so. You understand? Till she reach the woman new cake. Whatever new cake it is going to be, it is going to sell. I can promise you that. Anyway, speak my mind, people. Don't know to do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Please to go over on TikTok and support Life is a Mission TV. Also on TikTok, follow me over there, like the videos, share the video and share the channel, and leave a comment. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chef is still asking you for a subscription. The link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. Give her a subscription. Just hit the blue writing, and when the link come up, you hit subscribe and hit your post notification bell, and that's how you subscribe. Alright, and please remember, you ask her to get it. The cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. When you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy, and I'll hear the plans for December. Alright, I will want to do that by, say, between the 20th. Because if you get in the things, them and get somebody to help me. Because basically, how me I do it is not like how I normally do it. I just go to the shop if me I get to somebody some grocery and buy it. I'm going to work it out where it work out. You know, probably get wholesale price where, you know, you buy a half bag of sugar. Can me calculate it out already. You know, half bag of sugar, half bag of rice, half bag of flour, half case of sardine, half case of tin mackerel. You know, me work it out in my head already. You know, to the amount of persons I want to reach out to. You buy it that way, you know, you might save $100, $150, $200. That $250 can still go far away. You understand? And remember, no, it's not a charitable organization or not funded by nobody. It's just if a few people come on board, you know, with my little salary, I reach out, and this is my aim for the Christmas. So when you give me, give the gift back to the needy. If you don't have my cash app or no Zelle, you can reach me on 876-221-9789, and you don't know, that is it. And no ship, nor boat, nor yacht is it. That is it. Go over Instagram, check out Charms and Trends, Charm_and_Trends. Drop in the DM for anything you see over there. You can get it customized. Give your loved one a special gift. Alright? Or you go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Bless upon yourself. Peace out. If you can't be good, be careful. Please remember, be vigilant, and remember, keep your visibility up. Keep your visibility up. Observe your surrounding. Observe your surrounding. Anywhere you go, start observe it from a distance before you reach there, as far as your eye can see. Don't go in and go get caught up. Or realize what happened with that police officer in the gas station who hear about the news, if he was observant and observe and be vigilant as an officer, he would have seen everything. But because he was not, he meet his demise. So these are things that we have to learn from. And not everything you can't wait till it reach you for learn. You learn off of other people's mistake. I mean, I want nothing for reach me for learn. I want to see other people's mistake and learn off of that. Alright? Bless up. Peace out.